Hello and welcome to Snowmageddon 2015. Here in the Maritimes, we've been like bombarded by all these shitstorms, and we're in one right now. Actually, this is a lovely door, but I have to leave. I don't know if you can come closer here, but you will see as I try to get over this, there is probably a 9-foot banking here. I'm 6 feet high. Imagine this. I'm going to try to get over here, see what happens. So, as you can see, I can't really get over this. Yeah. It's like really, really shitty. Like really shitty. We still got like another 20 centimeters to go of this garbage. And yeah, I'm going to try to get outside some other way and show you what this looks like from the other side. Yeah. Ooh, there's my shovel. I feel like Thor. Asgard! Woo! Alright, shovel this shit out of the house. Alright, so we're going to tend to get outside through the garage here. Garage door. So let's open this up. See what we got down here. Ah, shit. Alright, well. Ooh, the car's kind of there. Car's pretty buried too. Let's see. Kind of wanted to get out here to show you guys the front where we tried to get out earlier, but I don't think it's going to happen. So this drift here is about about my height, so 6 feet high. Kind of look over it. I don't know how much you can see over there. It's a pretty big drift. Drifting up right to the picture window in the front. Which is pretty high up. Probably about, I don't know, 9-10 feet. So, yeah. Just look at the neighbor's house here. A nice drift up there going almost up to the roof. So this is going to get a lot higher than that. I'm sure if I open up the door here to the garage, yeah, you're not seeing much. I see. Nice imprint there. So that's the garage door. So we're pretty much snowed in here for the foreseeable future.